On to today's project. These are the new rims I picked up for the Capri. And boy, oh boy, are they gonna look good on there. It's gonna look so correct. I picked these up for only $100 because if you can tell, there's a slight bend in the rim right here. It's actually more of a flat spot than a bend. I'm pretty sure I should be able to fix it myself. So I've got a blowtorch and a rubber mallet here and just gonna see what I can do. Got new tires coming on Wednesday, so hopefully we'll be good to go for a while. This is barely even a bend. It's pretty subtle. It's definitely bent, but a good set of wheels for $100 bad? I don't think so. Well, that's not good. I think this thing's almost out of juice. Well, does it look any better on camera? Kind of. I think I need more heat.
3 hours later.
Since there is slight discoloration on that edge, it looks kind of worse on camera, but it's quite rounded out now. It's really not as bad as it was. We'll see what happens.
The next day.
Yes, yes. So I run into an unexpected issue. The tire store that I called yesterday that said they could do it isn't open. And all the lights were off and the doors were locked. No one to be seen, parking lot empty. Shout out to
Big O Tires.
No clue what's going on there. All the shops in town are booked out. I'm just kind of crossing my fingers that I can find somewhere that will have enough availability. So, I called up the old transmission repair workshop that I bought my second car from. They had availability. So I brought the wheels down there and they're gonna give me a call when they're ready. I told the guy there about what happened, Ben at Bluebird Transmission Auto Works. Thank you. You're amazing. Gave me the best piece of advice. Never go to Big O Tires. Nobody was there. Literally, I wish I recorded it because it was just weird. See you when the guy calls. Bam! We just got back. Look at these. We're gonna load a couple of them up in there and drive it over to the barn and get them swapped on. Take one last look at these ugly wheels. This isn't how you do maintenance.
We are not the same.
Nicest it's ridden in a while. Do you feel how smooth that is?
Yeah, that's insane how bad the other ones were.
Holy cow! This is amazing! I'm so excited!